Hello! In this video, we'll take a look at the best video editing softwares currently available on the market. We have spent 250 hours researching and evaluating the top 20 software products using external tests and reviews. With the help of our TÜV certified quality management for testing and comparison procedures, we are able to present to you the best video editing software in these categories: the best free video editing software, the best video editing software for beginners, the best video editing software for advanced users, the best video editing software for professionals, and the best video editing software for Macs. Accordingly, it is important for us to show the best option for each target group so that it perfectly fits your requirement profile. Let's get started! Our first category is about the best free video editing software. There are many different providers here, but only Filmora 9 from Wondershare convinced us. This program is available as a free version with fewer features as well as a full version, with monthly costs or one-time costs of about 75 euros. It is suitable for Windows and macOS. This software is also easy to use. You can use up to 100 video tracks and have access to many video effects. Among other things, there are filters, graphics, overlays, green screen effects, and even more. The different scenes are automatically detected, and there are over 180 transition effects that you can try out as you like. The second category we have for you today is all about the best video editing software for beginners. Here, we were won over by Cyberlink's PowerDirector 365 per 12 months software. This program is suitable for Windows 8 and Windows 10 at only 30 euros. It is our cheapest paid variant. However, this also has a disadvantage. You pay 30 euros per year here. The software only works with subscription, but this can be quite handy, especially for beginners. You can try the software for 1 year for 30 euros and then decide if you want to keep paying or if you prefer to use another software. For your money, you get over 100 background music tracks and over 300 sound effect clips, with more being added every month. On top of that, there's unlimited access to all of Cyberlink's creative design packages. A lot can be designed with this software, such as animated titles and graphics. There's also a 4K quality video preview, so you can see the result of your video perfectly in advance and make any necessary changes. In the third category, the best video editing software for advanced users, we were convinced by the program Video Deluxe 2020 from Magix. It is suitable for Windows 7, Windows 8, and Windows 10. This program costs about 40 euros, which is just a bit more expensive than our first presented product for beginners. With the handy storyboard mode that this program offers and the automatic optimization for sound and image, you'll create impressive movies with resolutions up to 4K in no time. Magix's timeline mode lets you edit your videos like a pro on up to 32 tracks. And the new Infusion engine ensures that even larger and multi-layered projects can be processed incredibly fast. This software also includes over 900 effects, templates, and fades to let your creativity run wild. All around, it's a top-notch editing software for advanced users. Now we come to the fourth category, the best video editing software for professionals. Our choice here falls on the video editing program Vegas Pro 14. At $170, this software is the most expensive we're featuring in this video. However, it has everything a professional could want for video editing. It has an intuitive drag-and-drop workflow for professional video editing and also support for HEVC, native ProRes function, and 4K projects. The program is suitable for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 8.1, and Windows 10. And Vegas Pro 14 supports the OpenFX standard. CMOS errors like jello, wobble, skew, and distortions can also be fixed by this program. All around, it's a classy program to work with more features than the other programs we're featuring. Our final category is all about the best video editing program for Mac. The problem here is the operating system is completely different. Almost all of the programs we featured here are Windows only. However, Adobe's Premiere Elements 14 works perfectly on Windows and macOS. It is suitable for Windows 7, Windows 8, Windows 10, and macOS X. At around $80, it's in the mid-range of the programs we're offering you today. With this program, you can edit and present your videos in 4K. It includes color effects, as well as time-lapse, slow motion, effects, transitions, themes, animations, and much more. In addition, you can make audio adjustments with this program. There's also an Elements Organizer where you can categorize videos by people, events, or locations, making it much easier for you to find them later. And that's it, our top 5 video editing programs. If you liked this video, we'd appreciate a thumbs up and a subscription. That way, you'll be sure not to miss any of our other videos. You can check out the products on Amazon using the links in the description. Most of them were heavily discounted at the time the video was made. If you want to save, it is worth it to check quickly and see the current prices. We are already looking forward to welcoming you back in the next video.